Shanghai Herolift introduces the vacuum tube lifter for carton box, specially designed for carton handling, boosting production efficiency. The VEL 160-2.5 STD model, paired with a track system, easily lifts cartons weighing up to 50 kilograms. It's perfect for cartons measuring 700 to 800 millimeters long, 500 to 550 millimeters wide, and 550 to 650 millimeters high. Whether sealed with tape or strapped with packing bands, it handles it all with ease, ensuring safe, fast lifting. The lifting process is smooth, simple to operate, and effortlessly handles heights from 1600 to 4200 millimeters. With a ceiling-mounted installation, it saves space and adapts to a variety of work environments. Choose the vacuum tube lifter for carton box by Shanghai Herolift, liberating your workforce and maximizing efficiency, making your job easier.